The Rajarajeshwari Medical College and Group of Institution is one of the most prestigious and pioneering institute that offers and caters to the medical needs of the entire medical community. So the Department of Anatomy in particular at the Rajarajeshwari Medical College and Hospital is the center and hub for various research and medical education in anatomy that caters to the needs of modern medical education. The Department of Anatomy in particular, with its highly dedicated and skilled staff and with the excellent infrastructure, will provide state-of-the-art medical education in anatomy especially, and we always keep the time-honored method of dissection as well as integrating innovative technologies and education facilities that helps the student to learn and study about the human anatomy, particularly the various structures that are present in the body. And the excellent infrastructure that includes state-of-the-art library facilities, dissection hall, then the museums, lecture halls, histology lab, they cater to the diverse needs of the students. The Department of Anatomy in particular, it provides ample opportunities for academic growth, not only for the teaching faculty, but also for the graduates, both undergraduates and postgraduates, to excel in various fields in presenting various papers in different conferences, then getting the journals done, and for the peer review, so on and so forth. At the same time, I would like to highlight that the Department of Anatomy is noted for an excellent, highly improvised and highly regarded program that is called as the body donation program. We have the voluntary body donation scheme that is very well in vogue in our department that caters to the need of the society. The body donation program, which is so very active from so many years, have attracted a lot of people and volunteers to register their name in this great work. And we are from the heart indebted, and we feel a lot of gratitude towards those voluntary people who have registered their names for voluntary body donation scheme. I feel highly privileged and wonderful to be a part of department, not only a part of department but a part of this institution which has been giving a lot of encouragement and has been a backbone in all our endeavors. So with a heart full of gratitude, so I feel that the department, with all its vision and effort that the faculties, the students, both graduates and undergraduates, postgraduates are doing with this vision, so I am very sure that in the years to come, the department will successively and very greatly will achieve great heights as well as the institution.